Hello. Today we will perform another experiment. Experiment idea is to help you to resolve stock problems by mixing 040, which you have in stock, together with new material that we recommend to proceed with peat fibers. We have chosen two samples. Sample A, peat moss, 0.40 millimeters, 200 grams in this plastic tara, and peat fibers, 200 grams. First we will weigh samples. We have plastic tara. Okay. Peat fibers. $199 grams. Okay, almost 200. And second, 0.40. $200 grams. So we have two samples, both equal measurement, 200 grams peat fibers and 0.40. As you can see, peat fibers are much more in volume, 200 liters. Because of structure, it is much coarse, and 0.40, as it has fine, as it's from 0 till 40, it has a fine structure, so it is much density is much bigger, and it is less. Anyway, first we need to add moisture to peat moss 0.40, so it would be more similar to situation in Banvit in stock, because this 0.40 is harvested in summer now, and it is more or less dry. But we will add water to make it more wet. So peat moss 0.40, 200 grams. Here it is. So we will add it to this box. Here we have 0.40. You see it very well. It is dry. It is dry. And we will add to this 0.40 100 milliliters of water. We have a bottle. As you can see, 500 milliliters in this bottle, and we will add 500 milliliters to this bottle. Over. So we will add 100 milliliters. more. Still need to add. So we have added 100 milliliters. 100 milliliters. We can see it here. So peat moss is more wet now. It is more or less like it is in Banvit. This is how it looks. Now we will add to this mixture peat fibers, 200 grams. And we will add 400 milliliters of water. So we have added peat moss 0.40, 200 grams, added 100 milliliter of water to increase moisture, and added peat fibers 200 grams, and now 400 milliliters of water. You see, we have water inside. We mix it. We see smaller parts like 0.40, they are more wet, but peat fiber is very good. A little bit mix it, and we proceed with water. Again, mix it. You see, all water is obtained. No water inside. Add last water. We'll open it. So we have added total 500 milliliters of water, and this is the result. I will mix it again. As you see, peat fiber has also turned wet in some parts, but as you see, some parts of peat fiber are still dry. You can see dry parts. If you again look, you can see that it has also dry parts. It's not so wet. It is okay. It is workable. 0.40 you cannot see alone. It is mixed together. It is mixed together, and if you look closer, you see that 0.40. Some smaller parts have maybe together, and they are wet as they are small parts, but overall situation is quite good. It's quite good because of the peat fiber. Peat fiber is still more or less dry. I will do another thing. It is outside of the experiment, but I will add. I have here some 600 liters of water. As you can see, almost 800 milliliters of water, and I will add it. So here is extremely big quantity of water, extremely big quantity. It is all wet now, and as you see, I will try to turn it into mud. I will try to squeeze it so it is like a mud. But still, as you can see, it do not turn into mud. It's not turning into mud. It still has its structure. It still has its structure. As you see, structure is quite big. And you have it. And I added almost now to 400 grams of peat moss. I added almost 1.3 liters of water. So almost 3 times more water than material, and you still see that peat fiber is okay, and it has totally mixed together with 0.40. It is like one product. You cannot separate here a 0.40 from peat fiber. So thank you for watching this experiment. I hope we can proceed and send you peat fiber sample pallets, and you can try to mix peat fiber together with your stock, and this could be a solution. This could be a solution for your problem. So I hope we will speak soon, and have a nice day. Bye.